Perfect, meaning free from any flaw or defect, exactly as desired. Synonyms: flawless, impeccable, ideal. Sentence: her performance was perfect, earning her a standing ovation. Candidate, meaning a person who applies for a job or is nominated for election. Synonyms: applicant, nominee, contender. Sentence: he was the most qualified candidate for the position. Broadcaster, meaning a person or organization that transmits programs or information by radio or television. Synonyms: announcer, presenter, media personality. Sentence: the broadcaster reported live from the scene of the event. Expand, meaning to increase in size, number, or importance. Synonyms: enlarge, grow, extend. Sentence: the company plans to expand its operations to new markets. Ultimate, meaning being or happening at the end of a process. Final. Synonyms: final, supreme, utmost. Sentence: winning the championship was the ultimate goal of the team. Wide, meaning of great or more than average width. Synonyms: broad, extensive, spacious. Sentence: the river was too wide to swim across. 60, meaning the number equivalent to the product of 6 and 10. Synonyms: threescore. Sentence: she celebrated her 60th birthday with a grand party. Metaphor, meaning a figure of speech in which a word or phrase is applied to an object or action to which it is not literally applicable. Synonyms: analogy, comparison, symbol. Sentence: the world is a stage is a famous metaphor from Shakespeare. World, meaning the earth, together with all of its countries, peoples, and natural features. Synonyms: globe, planet, earth. Sentence: she dreams of traveling the world one day. Legislature, meaning a group of people with the authority to make laws for a country or state. Synonyms: parliament, congress, assembly. Sentence. The new law was passed by the state legislature. Rose. Meaning. A type of flowering shrub of the genus Rosa, known for its beautiful flowers. Synonyms. Bloom, flower, blossom. Sentence. He gave her a bouquet of red roses on their anniversary. Weaken. Meaning. To make or become less strong or powerful. Synonyms. Diminish, reduce, debilitate. Sentence. The illness had severely weakened his immune system. Boat. Meaning. A small vessel for traveling on water. Synonyms. Vessel, craft, ship. Sentence. They rented a boat to explore the lake. Tea. Meaning. A hot drink made by infusing the dried, crushed leaves of the tea plant in boiling water. Synonyms. Brew, infusion, chai. Sentence. She enjoys a cup of tea every afternoon. Preach. Meaning. To deliver a sermon or religious address to an assembled group of people. Synonyms. Sermonize, evangelize, lecture. Sentence. The pastor will preach about forgiveness this Sunday. Exist. Meaning. To have actual being. To be real. Synonyms. Live, be, subsist. Sentence. Do you think extraterrestrial life exists in the universe? Cooperative. Meaning. Involving mutual assistance in working toward a common goal. Synonyms. Collaborative, joint, shared. Sentence. The cooperative effort of the team led to their success. Television. Meaning. A system for transmitting visual images and sound that are reproduced on screens. Synonyms. TV, telly, box. Sentence. They watched their favorite show on television last night. Card. Meaning. A piece of thick, stiff paper or thin pasteboard, typically one used for writing or printing on. Synonyms. Postcard, note, greeting card. Sentence. She sent him a birthday card through the mail. Honor. Meaning. High respect, great esteem. Synonyms. respect, esteem, reverence. Sentence: it was an honor to receive the award for community service. And there you have it. 20 everyday words with their meanings, synonyms, and how to use them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the English language. See you in the next video.